Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Baitanna. As we have seen till lesson number 5, till lesson number 5. Now revision. We have to learn this. Clear? Revision. Now see, enact the following dialogue in pair. Have to act the dialogue. Have to read the dialogue in this particular class. See, Sudhirah Namaskarah, Shudah Namaskar Mahodaya means also telling that Namaskar as we welcome others. We Namaskar Mahodaya Sudhir, Bhavatya Nam Kim? Sudhir asked Sudha, what is your name? Sudha, Mama Nam Sudha. My name is Sudha. Bhavatah Nam Kim? And Sudha asked, what is your name? Sudhirah, Mama Nam Sudhirah. My name is Sudhir. Bhavati Kim Karoti? What are you doing? Sudha, Aham Adhyapika Asmi. I am a teacher. Bhavan Kim Karoti? What you are doing? Sudhir, Aham Api Adhyapaka Asmi. I am also teacher. The discussion took place between Sudhir and Sudha. How to discuss in Sanskrit, how to talk in Sanskrit. As you know, it is the language of saints and rishis, religious language, holy books written in Sanskrit, and that is why higher importance is given that respective language. As a respective language, you must realize that how to talk in Sanskrit. Clear? So that we have to read again. Sudhirah Namaskar. So this says Namaskar. Sudha Namaskar Mahoday. Respected person Namaskar. Sudhirah Bhavatya Nam Kim? What is your name? As we ask in English. In Sanskrit, Bhavatya name Kim? Bhavatya means your. Nam, that you know name. And Kim means what? What is your name? Sudhir, Mama Nam Sudha. Sudha said. Sudhir said, Bhavatya Nam Kim? What is your name? Sudha said, Mama. Mama means my. Nam, that you know name. Sudha. My name is Sudha. Bhavata Nam Kim? What is your name? Kim means what? Bhavata means your. Nam means name. What is your name? Sudhir. Mama Nam Sudhirah. Sudhir says, my name is Sudhir. Bhavati Kim Karoti? What are you doing? Bhavati, for ladies use that is why Bhavati. What are you doing? Or what do you do? Sudha. Aham Adhyapika Asmi. I am a teacher. Bhavan Kim Karoti? What are you doing? Sudhir, Aham Api Adhyapaka Asmi. I am also a teacher. See, for ladies word that is Adhyapika, and for gents says Adhyapakaha. That difference we have to see in Sanskrit. Second thing, see, Bhavatya Nam Kim? What is your name? And when Sudhir asked, then see, Bhavatya Nam Kim? When Sudhir asked to the Sudha, then Bhavatya. And see, Sudha asked then Bhavataha Nam Kim? Bhavatya and Bhavataha for ladies, Bhavatya, and for gents, Bhavataha. In English you write then both your meaning is there. What is your name? But in Sanskrit, you have to use for particular woman, then have to write Ya. Next, pronounce the following words properly. See, you have to listen only. Proper pronunciation. That is Charano, Pranamamaha, Vagishwari, Saranya, Ruchira Bharna, Pankaja, Mati Rastam, Kuntha Visharini. Kuntha Visharini. Again, Charano, Pranamamaha, Vagishwari, Saranya, Ruchira Bharna, Pankaja, Mati Rastam, Kuntha Visharini. Again, third time, Charano, Pranamamaha, Vagishwari, Sharanya, Ruchira Bharna, Pankaja, Mati Rastam, Kuntha Visharini. And speak in this way 3-4 times more, then it is very easy to make pronunciation of Sanskrit. Otherwise, finding somehow hard. Clear? Recite the following with correct pronunciation, stress and tones. See, this particular word is there, that no need of doing this question number 3. Now question number 4, read the following paragraph with correct pronunciation. Pay attention. See, अस्माकं भारत देशे अनेकाः नद्यः सन्ति. Again, अस्माकं भारत देशे अनेकाः नद्यः सन्ति. There are many rivers in our country or in our India. Ganga, Yamuna, Sabarmati, Narmada ityadayah. Among them, Ganga, Yamuna, Sabarmati means Sabarmati, Narmada, etc. Sarvashu nadishu Ganga shrestha nadi asti. Ganga is the best, among the best river of others. Ganga is the one of the best rivers. निदाद्ये अपि तस्या प्रवाहो न शुष्यति. His water or its water not dried up, it remains continuously throughout year. Sa Himalayat prabhavati. It starts from Himalayas. Sagaram prati vahti cha, and flows towards ocean. Prayage Gangayaha Yamunascha Sangam bhavati. At the place Prayag, as you know, there is particular two rivers meet, Ganga and Yamuna. Sangam sthane snanen janaha pavitra bhavanti. People take bath in this particular place and become holy, or believing considered to be the holy. Dhanyam Ganga darshanam punyam Ganga jale snanam. If we do the darshan of river Ganga, we believing himself to be lucky, dhanya, and Punyam Ganga jale snanam. If we take bath in Ganga, it is believing like this that our sins destroy. So again the clear pronunciation should be there. अस्माकं भारत देशे अनेकाः नद्यः सन्ति. गंगा, यमुना, साबरमती, नर्मदा इत्यादयः. सर्वासु नदीषु गंगा श्रेष्ठा नदी अस्ति. निदाद्ये अपि तस्या प्रवाहो न शुष्यति. सा हिमालयात् प्रभवति, सागरं प्रति वहति च. प्रयागे गंगायाः यमुनाश्च संगम भवति. संगम स्थाने स्नानेन जनाः पवित्राः भवन्ति. धन्यं गंगा दर्शनं पुण्यं गंगा जले स्नानम. That we must take care of it in proper way. Now see. Answer the following question in Sanskrit. Eklavya kim patitum ichti sma. What Eklavya wanted to learn? Eklavya Dhanurvidya patitum ichti sma. Kim cut and have to write Dhanurvidya. Eklavya Dhanurvidya abhyasam katham krutvan. Eklavya acharyasya dronasya ekam murti arachayatah. How did Eklavya learn archery? एकलव्य आचार्य से द्रोणस्य एकाम मूर्ति अरचयतः. One statue Eklavya had made, prepared of Guru Drona. Sa pratidinam murtim anumatah. Every day he bowed down to statue. Pratah arabhyah sayam kala paryatam. From morning till evening, sa dhanurvidya abhyasam akarot. He started doing practice from morning to evening or till evening. Third one, Eklavya kukurasya mukham katham asivyata. How did Eklavya stop the dog of the mouth? Eklavya kukurasya mukham banehi asivyata. Eklavya stopped the mouth of the dog with the help of arrow. That is called banehi asivyat. Asivyat past tense, as you know. Eklavya asman kim sikhyati. What does Eklavya teach us? Kam sikhyati. What does Eklavya teach us? एकलव्यः अस्मान् शिक्षयति. एकलव्य teaches us. स्वयं ज्योति स्वयं प्रज्ञः च भवतु इति. Become on light. Swayam Jyoti become on light and Swayam Pragna use on intelligence that is taught by Eklavya. What we know that we must think about it. See again question number 1. Eklavya kim pathitum ichti sma. Eklavya dhanurvidya pathitum ichti sma. Question number 2. Eklavya dhanurvidya abhyasam katham krutvan. एकलव्य आचार्य से द्रोणस्य एकां मूर्ति अरचयतः. स प्रतिदिनं मूर्तिम् अनमतः. ही बो डाउन टू दैट स्टैच्यू एवरी डे. प्रातः आरभ्य सायंकालं पर्यन्तः. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टिल इवनिंग स धनुर्विद्या अभ्यासम् अकरोत्. ही डिड द प्रैक्टिस. एकलव्यः अस्मान् किं शिक्षयति. एकलव्य अस्मान् शिक्षयति स्वयं ज्योति स्वयं प्रज्ञः च भवतु इति. बिकम योर our own light and use in own intelligence. Turn the following statements into question using the words given in the bracket. Use the words and have to make the sentence. Ganga Yamuna Sabramti Narmada Nadya Bharat Deshe Pravanti. Ganga, Yamuna, Sabarmati and Narmada flows in India. Rivers flow in India. Kaka, I have to use this word. Which? Kaka Nadya Bharat Deshe Pravanti. Which rivers or which rivers flow in our country? Ganga Sreshta Nadi Asti. Ka Sreshta Nadi Asti. Which is the best river? Ganga cut and you have to add ka. Ganga Himalayat Prabhavati. Ganga start from Himalayas. Ganga Kutaha Prabhavati. Himalayat cut and Kutaha, from where does Ganga start? Sangam Stane Stanen Janaha Pavitraha Bhavanti. Sangam Stanen Janaha पवित्रा भवन्ति. कुत्र स्नानेन जनाः पवित्रा भवन्ति. संगम स्थाने कट कुत्र स्नानेन जनाः पवित्रा भवन्ति. In which place people believing to be holy or blessed. Good. Next. Look the picture and write sentence in Sanskrit. Have to see the pictures and write in Sanskrit. See the pictures. Etani pustakani. You have to write this. These are books. Etani pustakani. These are books. Number 2. Aham yuvakaha. I am a young man. Yuvakaha means young man. Next. Etat chhatram. This is an umbrella. Etat. Chhatram means umbrella. Etat, this is an umbrella. Eshaha Vyagraha Sadulaha. This is a lion. Or Sadulaha means lion. Eshaha Murtihi. This is a statue. Eshaha Murtihi. This is a statue. Clear that we should know the particular translation of this particular word. Question number 8. Frame the sentence, follow the illustration. Khela ganam gacham. Like this you have to make. Sivalayam gacham, go to Sivalay. Khelna ganam gacham means Sivalayam gacham. Number 2. Vidyalayam gacham, let's go to the school. Sivalayam gacham, let's go to the Shiv temple. Vidyalayam gacham, let's go to school. Third one, Pustakalayam gacham, let's go to library. Gramam gacham, let's go to village. Swagruham gacham, let's go to our homes. That means when you add point from Shivalaya, Shivalayam, Vidyalaya, Vidyalayam, Pustakalayam, Gramam, we should use the particular words let. Let us go to school, let us go to Shivalaya, let's go to library, let's go to village. Clear? So that we must think about it. That brings the end of this particular lectures. In next lecture we will see the lesson number 6. You have to write this one time, revision 1 in your book, and read 2 times. Okay, thank you, bye, see you.